Introduce short picture overview of Intel NUC7 Mainstream Kit, NUC7PJYHN2 Mini Business and Home Barebone PC Desktop, Quad-Core Pentium Silver J5005, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB SSD, Bluetooth, RJ45, Wi-Fi, Windows 10 Pro, IST power cable. You enter our here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.